Welcome back to Ride Ready Reviews, the channel where classic charm meets modern performance. If you're a true automotive enthusiast, today's video is something you don't want to miss. We're diving into the all-new 2025 Ford F100, a vintage pickup truck reborn with a perfect blend of retro design and cutting-edge technology. The Ford F100 has always been a symbol of strength, utility, and American heritage. Originally launched in the 1950s, it captured the hearts of millions with its rugged look and reliability. Now, in 2025, Ford has brought back this icon, but with a modern twist. From its bold stance to its classic body lines, the 2025 F100 pays homage to its roots while embracing the future. At first glance, the exterior is a beautiful throwback to the original F100. It features round headlights, a squared-off grille, and a step-side bed, all key design elements that made the original so popular. But look a little closer and you'll find LED lighting, modern alloy wheels styled like vintage Steelies, and a fully aluminum body that boosts fuel efficiency without sacrificing strength. Under the hood, the 2025 F100 offers a powerful and environmentally conscious option, an all-electric powertrain. That's right, Ford has taken a bold step by making the new F100 available as an EV, equipped with dual electric motors and instant torque that delivers incredible performance. It's also available with a hybrid V6 for those who prefer the feel of a combustion engine with improved efficiency. Inside the cabin, the mix of vintage charm and modern luxury continues. The dashboard echoes the original F100 design, complete with analog-inspired digital gauges, a metal-accented steering wheel, and retro air vents. Yet it's fully loaded with today's tech: a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium audio, and even over-the-air software updates. Ford hasn't forgotten about utility either. With a sturdy frame, high payload capacity, and built-in workbench features in the tailgate, the 2025 F100 isn't just a showpiece. It's a fully functional truck designed for real-life jobs and weekend adventures alike. Whether you're hauling tools or heading out for a scenic road trip, this truck does it all with style and confidence. Safety is also a major highlight, with Ford including features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras, making it one of the safest vintage-styled trucks ever built. The 2025 Ford F100 is more than just a revival. It's a celebration of the past and a bold step into the future. It's made for those who love the soul of a classic, but crave the innovation of today. Whether you're a longtime fan or discovering the F100 for the first time, this is a pickup that demands attention. Thanks for watching Ride Ready Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews on the latest cars and bikes. See you in the next one.